Cool. Alright people, what I'm getting ready to show you all is how to put together the Parker House rolls so you can take it from the dough when you come into the class, rolling it out, cutting it into the proper thickness, dipping it in butter, getting it into the fruit box. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, take the plastic wrap off the dough. The very next step is to piano the dough down, making sure that it stays in either an oval or rectangle shape. Doing it just like that. Got flour under the dough. The dough should move. Make sure it's sliding on the table. If it's not sliding on the table, it's not ready to go. At that point, put a little flour on your rolling pin. And now, the Parker House, you want to roll it to just about the thickness of a notebook. Every couple of rolls, you might have to check underneath the dough. Check and see if there's flour under it. If so, first thing you want to do, take a bowl of flour, dust the top of your dough, and then take your dough, fold it in half. There's no flour under there. Put some under. See where the half mark was of the dough. Now I'm going to turn the other way. There's where the line was. So now I'm going to continue to add the flour so that there's flour all under the dough. And then fold it right back. Okay. Now, you see how big this dough got? It's really not this big. We're getting ready to do something called shrinking it. Where you're going to bring the dough back in. Let the loose strands of the dough relax. You do it just like you do a sheet on your bed mattress. See it shrink back in? Get a little air under it. Now, everybody come in and feel the thickness. You know how thick that is? See how it's not the thickness of a notebook or your spiral notebook, it's little 80 pages. Okay? So now you're going to take your cutter and start cutting. As you see, you don't need a full circle. When you're cutting, you just don't want this bridge. This is what we call a bridge. See that? You don't want that bridge, right, Sakari? You want to go like that. All the way around. Okay? Once you have your 12 pieces or so, all of these extra pieces, all these little extra scraps we're going to save because we're going to put it all back together and roll it back out again and make more pieces of bread that look like this. And the butter. You're going to take the pieces, put them apart, fold them over. to land in the pan. What we're doing, pull the cart, fold it over, lay it in the pan. When you land it in the pan, make sure you're laying it foot to back. Excuse me, mouth to back. Mouth to back. Okay? How many go in a pan? I only heard it from one person. You guys have about 15 minutes to get the rest of this pan, the rest of this dough here on the table, knocked out. You're gonna get this. Actually, I got about 25, but it should only take up about 15 minutes to knock out the rest of this. And what is it when you call?